Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a partial refund on AliExpress. So now what you're going to do is either from your phone or from the website, head over to your account on AliExpress and then just click on your profile in here and tap on My Orders. So inside of here, you want to find the order that you had an issue with. So you just have to click on it and then you want to click on Order Details, or there will be a return or refund option from there. So go in there and then once you're in there, you just want to start a dispute. So now in inside there, you just have to answer some questions like why you want to have a refund and what is the issue. And once you have answered all the questions, you might need to provide some sort of evidence or some screenshots or whatever. And sometimes you do need to, sometimes you don't. So once you have filled all of this, you just have to wait and then they will just check their dispute. And if you get accepted, you will get your refund. So that is basically how it works. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.